Hi, this is Dr. Bragg from the Spine Orthopedic Pain Center with a tip for a pain-free Friday. I fell asleep tonight watching the Chiefs and Chargers football game. And now my back hurts a little bit. So what am I going to do? I'm going to do what I told you to do in an earlier video when your back feels tight and you have a little back pain. I have to go to work tomorrow. I'm bending forward, touching my knees, and I feel the stretch in my back. I'm counting to 20, feeling that stretch. Oh, it feels good. Now I'm sitting up and bending backwards and extending my back, looking at the ceiling. It's tight. So what am I going to do? I'm going to bend forward now, touch the middle of my legs, count to 20, and I feel that stretch again. I'm counting to 20. I feel that stretch. Now I'm sitting up again, bending backwards, looking at the ceiling and counting to 10. Now for the last stretch, what am I going to do? I'm bending forward, touching my ankles or my feet. Oh, this feels good. I feel that stretch. I'm counting to a slow count of 20. Then when I sit up, I'm going to bend back and count to 10. Now, if you know Dr. Bragg, what would I tell you to do at this point? Are you using heat or ice? I put a little ice on my back. I have my gel ice pack. I'm going to put ice on my back for 15 minutes. Now, if you put heat on it, it may not help, but it surely won't feel as good and help as much as this ice. Now, if my back hurts again, I would just repeat these stretches and ice again. This is a quick trick to help you when you develop back pain from sitting wrong, falling asleep on your sofa, and watching a boring football game. I ask you to try these stretches the next time you have a little back pain with ice, and let me know that it helped you. Now, please sign up for my YouTube video below. And I'll be back again next week with another tip for a pain-free Friday. And by the way, if you have something that you'd like me to talk about, put it in the comment section. I'll see you back next week. This is Dr. Bragg from the Spine and Orthopedic Pain Center in Norfolk, Virginia.